Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day or night wherever you are. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Tiffany and thank you for clicking on my video. In today's video, we're going to be making some more Valentine's Day DIYs. If you haven't seen my first video, I will link it above and below for you guys to go check out. But if you guys want to see these DIYs, then please keep watching. Alright, first up is this heart wreath. I got this styrofoam wreath form from Hobby Lobby. You can get any heart-shaped wreath form you'd like. Next, you're going to need some white yarn. And then I got these red felt stickers from Hobby Lobby. Dollar Tree also has similar ones. Then you're going to need some dowels or a kebab stick. I have 1.5. You'll see why. I broke it in half later. And then we're going to be using these really adorable felt hearts from Michaels. One says XOXO and one says Be Mine. So the first part is pretty self-explanatory. We're going to take our yarn, hot glue it on the back, and just wrap it around. I did cut this down quite a bit because it was very monotonous and I didn't want to bore you guys with me just wrapping yarn. So I will show you how to get it started and then you just follow suit for the rest of the wreath. Alright, you can see here I'm working in sections. It's probably easier to do it this way than trying to stick that big thing of yarn through this wreath and doing it over and over again. So that's what I did. So I loop it around a few times and then I push it down, making sure it's nice and taut, and then just continue that process until you're done. So here I'm showing you the holes. I went ahead and poked holes in here before just so it was easier to show you guys. So here I am taking that kebab stick or that dowel. I'm poking a hole through and I'm using that other half to kind of make an extension to make it a little bit longer. I'm gonna hot glue it in so it doesn't move around, but I did want to show you guys why I used both. Alright, now we're at the top. Now I'm just going to overlap the yarn just so you can't see that point there where the two heart shapes come together, if that makes sense. So I'm just wrapping and wrapping and then I will hot glue it to the back. You'll do the same for the bottom. It's a little bit tricky when those 2 points meet, but just keep wrapping, you'll end up getting it eventually. Alright, and here is the final yarn wrapped wreath form. It did take about 20 to 30 minutes, so just keep that in mind. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and insert my dowels now that the yarn is wrapped around the wreath form. I'm going to stick them in and hot glue them so they don't move around.
Get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you. With your colors, they kind of tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way.
Alright, here's what it looks like when you've got everything inserted. You don't have to glue it, but it definitely makes it easier. So here I am, I'm taking those heart stickers from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to use 2, so I'm going to stick one underneath, add some hot glue just so it doesn't go anywhere.
Fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different.
Here I'm going to use this template. I got this from Pinterest. I will link the template down below for you guys if you guys want to try this at home. Now I'm going to be cutting this out of my felt, my sticky felt that I got from Hobby Lobby.
There's something different about us.
Go ahead and cut that pattern out.
There's something different about us. We're pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life.
go. Now we've got the tail of our arrow. I'm gonna take the backing off and stick it on to our dowel. I did end up putting a backing on this because it was just too sticky, so keep that in mind. You probably want to enclose it and make a little sandwich, if you will, like you did with the heart.
I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them.
Now we're going to take those felt hearts from Michael's, and now we're going to position them onto the wreath and then hot glue everything down. Very simple.
We will fall, nobody can see it. Still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
All right, here's the finished wreath. I really like this one. It's very simple but very cute. All right, next up is our heart flower sign. You're gonna take your wood cutout, your wood heart cutout, and then some tulips. I got the cutout and the tulips from Michael's. So what I'm showing you here is I'm taking all the tulip heads off of the stems. I'm gonna go ahead and do that.
There's something different about the way we are.
Now that we've got all the heads off, I'm going to be cutting off the little stem here with some wire cutters, just so it lays flat on the wood heart shape. If you want to use a bigger heart sign, you can. In hindsight, I wish mine was a little bit bigger, but that's okay. All right, and next we're just going to hot glue all of our flowers down onto our sign. I'm going to alternate colors here. You can see that I'm twisting the flower. I'm just trying to make sure that the flower keeps its shape because I don't want it to open up necessarily. If it opens up a little bit, that's okay, but I didn't want it to just open wide like a daisy, you know? So here I am just twisting it and then gluing it down. I'm going to alternate my colors. And now I'm just going to add all the rest of the flowers to the sign until it's done. This one's super simple, guys. Very easy to do and very satisfying too because they all fit perfectly onto that sign there. I will link the flowers down below from Michael's if you want to get the exact same ones and the exact same sign, because this I know will fit perfectly. All right, next up we're going to be taking our twine. I got this from Michael's. We're going to be using the pink and white one. I'm going to flip over my sign and just hot glue my string to the back so we can hang this. All right, here's how it turned out. I really love this one. I was gonna add a bow, but I decided not to. It was gonna be too distracting, taking away from the beautiful tulips. All right, last but not least is our felt banner or garland. I'm taking these small felt Dollar Tree hearts, then these felt stickers from Hobby Lobby. They're like 3D, I really like these. Next, we're gonna need some felt cutout Cupids. I got these from Etsy. Some heart sequins or some heart stickers, and then some ribbon and twine. I didn't end up using the ribbon, but you can if you'd like. All right, now I'm just laying everything out and getting their placement right before I start gluing. I'm going to be alternating my colors here. I'm going to be using these arrows, these red glitter arrows from Dollar Tree. They are stickers. They are the wood stickers. Really cute. Next, I'm taking those felt stickers from Hobby Lobby and the felt Cupid cutouts. And like I said, I'm just putting everything in its place so I can just hot glue everything once it's ready. All right, everything is in its place. Now I'm just going to start by taking off the sticker backs of those felt stickers. You can always hot glue this down if you'd like, but this sticker on the back is pretty strong, so I'm just going to go ahead and push it down and it'll be good to go. That way I can always reuse those stickers in the future if I'd like. Now we're just going to hot glue those wood stickers down onto our white hearts. Next up is our Cupid. We're just gonna hot glue the Cupid and the heart sticker down. Mine are actually rhinestones, but again, whatever heart shape you've got, you can even use the glitter stickers from Dollar Tree. I just had these and I thought it would be a nice little glam touch to this garland. So adorable, aren't they? I really love these.
What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder.
And now I'm just gonna take my twine. I picked the red and white one as you saw earlier, and I'm gonna string it through our felt hearts. It's pretty self-explanatory here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that.
Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside?
All right, and here's what it looks like. I tried to hold it up to show the camera, but it was just so long I couldn't get everything in frame, but it came out really adorable. Really like this one too. All right, guys, that wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed these. I did want to share with you guys another idea. I am going to be adding this arrow wreath on top of my boxwood wreath that I leave out year round. I just added some of those glitter heart picks from Dollar Tree, and I think it looks really cute and really whimsical yet simple. You can also do this with the Tulip Heart Sign. I think that one looks really sweet and very pretty as well. So if you guys haven't checked out my other Valentine's Day DIY video, I will link it down below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up so I know. And please consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me